To activate any tool, just select the tool. Or to drop any tool, just click on the activated tool again to drop the tool. Or you can press your escape key twice to drop any tool, like activate the circle tool and press your escape key twice to deactivate this activated tool. CATIA provides two options to choose any tool. And if you pick any tool by double clicking, the tool will work multiple times. Now you can drop the tool. Just click on the tool again or use escape key. To delete any geometry on screen, just select the geometry and press delete key. And if you want to delete multiple geometries, create a box selection and select all geometries and press delete key. And here button for the undo and redo. You can undo your work and you can redo your work. Let's try to create some example drawings. So pick line tool. I am picking this line tool from one click so I can able to create only one line. Okay, just click on this bisymmetry option. So let's pick this line by double clicking to create multiple copies and activate this snap to grid point option. And drop the tool. By using line, it's hard to create this geometry because we have to click many times. So I will use this profile tool rather than this line tool. So activate this profile tool, and this tool provides us a continuous line capability while creating an arc. So just start point and create this object, and you will feel very easy to create this profile through this profile tool. Now we will create this object. Activate this profile tool and create vertical line, horizontal line, and now we have to create an arc. This is tangent arc. So go to sketch tools option and now activate the option of tangent arc and create a tangent arc and complete this profile. Now you have two options to create line. First line tool and second is this profile tool. Use any tool as you feel easy to work. Any tool which have a little icon near it, it means the tool have many options. Just click on the little icon and you will get a drop down menu. Just pick this drop down menu and extract all tools. So in the line tool we have four extra tools. Let's understand the meaning of these extra tools. First is infinite line. This line tool create infinite line, horizontal or vertical. So pick this tool by double clicking so that we can create multiple copies. First option is horizontal infinite line. You can create horizontal line, this for vertical line, and next for the angular line. So give a specific angle like 45 and create angular object. To drop this tool, just click on the tool again. Next tool is Bi-tangent line. This bi-tangent line tool create tangent between two arcs. Let's create arc and circle and deactivate this snap tool and activate the bi-tangent tool. So if you select one circle and another circle, a tangent line will create it. And opposite direction, then opposite tangent line creates. Similarly, if you select this arc and this circle, then tangent will create. So this tool is very easy to create tangent line. The next tool is bisecting line. This bisecting line create a bisection line between two lines like this. this line at angle 45 degree. So if you want to create a line between these two lines, so use this bisection line. So just double click on this line, select first line and second line, you will get a bisection line. Last option is the line normal to curve. It means through this tool we can create a normal line from any curve or arc. So activate this tool and create a normal line at any point. So from this point, this is normal line to this arc or this circle. Deactivate this tool. Now let's explore all capabilities of line tool. So just activate this line tool, and in line tool we can create a single line from start point to end point. But this option, if you enable this option, this line will go both direction from start point to one direction, same while in opposite direction. This option will create a length, like I'm going to create a 50 line. So deactivate the symmetry option and put value 50 and press enter. So you can able to create 50 line, but angle of this line is still not defined. So you can create a horizontal or vertical or angular line. Now I'm going to define the angle of this line. Just create a 50 line with angle 30 degree. So this line at angle 30, or if you want to create 50 line with angle 120, this line will be at 120 degree angle. Similar to this option, the profile tool have same option. So just activate this profile tool and you can create line with specific length, like I am going to create a 60 line and give angle to this line, or just click on manually on the screen 60 line with 30 angle. So this line at 30 degree angle. Or you can create a tangent arc. This is tangent arc, and the tangent arc turned blue when this arc is semicircle. And one option we have on this like 3-point arc. Through this option you can create this kind of arc. I hope you understand all options related to profile tool and line tool.